everyone. So this video discussed the principles of graphic and layout. There are 6 principles of graphic and layout. First is balance, next, emphasis, third, movement, fourth, pattern, repetition, and rhythm, 5, proportion, and last, variety. Let's discuss first the balance. Balance is the visual weight of objects, textures, colors, and space wherein they are evenly distributed on the screen. It has to do with what your eyes do when you look at a photo. If your pair eyes is too attracted to one part of the image, it tends to get stuck there, resulting in uneasy feelings. And here are examples of balance. So you can see here in the picture that the distributions of the design or the visuals are equal to the both left and right. Next is the emphasis. So emphasis is an area in the design that may appear different in size, textures, shape, or color to attract the viewer's attention. So here are the examples of emphasis. So, as you can see, the pink umbrella and the dog is emphasized by making its surroundings different in their color. And the other principle is movement. So, movement is the visual element that guides the viewer's eyes around the screen. So, here are the examples of it. So, literally speaking, the pictures are just like moving. So, next, pattern, repetition, and rhythm. Pattern, repetition, and rhythm are the repeating visual elements on an image or layout to create unity in the layout. Pattern is created by repeating an element like line, shape, or color over and over again. Repetition is simply repeating a single element many times in a design. While rhythm is achieved when visual elements create a sense of organized movement. So here are some examples of pattern, repetition, and rhythm. For the pattern, as you can see, the elements are just repeating until it creates a pattern. And in the repetition, the image is just repeated until it creates a design. And for the rhythm, as you can see, its elements created a sense of organized movement. And second to the last principles is the proportion. So the proportion is the elements that create a sense of unity where they relate well with one another. For example, so as you can see here, it has a unity between the background and the other visual of this picture. And the last one is the variety. So the variety can be used in several designs elements to draw viewers' attention. So here are the examples of it. So in these pictures, the angles are varied to make a different look in the same image. And that's all. Thank you.